Good morning again. Here we are in the bathroom again. Here's what we're going to start working on today. Try and get some of this tile around the tub. Measuring the bump. Measuring it over here though, where the tape isn't at. Then measure the bump. The socket, that's very close. That's 7/8. Do a test run. I'll show you how we do it. So here we go. Test fit. Gives me about an 1/8 around there. Should be good. Let's come out to about there, which means we want our cut to start about there. Where's that? Here's this. We want to come out (3/16 of an inch). Sorry, 1/4 and a 16. Right there. Edge there. So right there like that. That looks pretty amazing, actually, I think.